How to create stickers on iPhone step by step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a method in which you can create stickers on your iPhone in the easiest way. Now, if you don't have the most updated iPhone or an iPhone above the 13 Pro Max, then in that case, what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure that you have an updated iPhone because it does not work on the outdated version. So what you do is you go over to images, and once you go over to your images, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to hold a section of your image that you want to add or create a sticker out of. So once you hold that section, what happens is that section becomes a sticker itself. Trust me, it does work. And then what you can do is once that section has been created into a sticker, what you can do is just go ahead and edit it in any way. And while you're holding it, just go ahead and minimize out of your phone and drag it straight to your WhatsApp. And that is how you're going to be creating a sticker. Now, in the case that you want to go ahead and, create proper stickers as well, if your phone is outdated and that does not work for you, what you can do in that case is just go over to your app store. And once you do that, you can simply go over to the App Store, write in stickers on the search bar. And once you come here, you can go ahead and create any of different types of stickers for yourself through these different applications that you have. And preferably, I use Stickerly, which is the best sticker maker out there. You can use it on anything like WhatsApp, Messenger, and a whole lot more. So just download this application, create a sticker for yourself, add it to your WhatsApp, and that is how you're going to be creating stickers on your iPhone step by step. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.